Gerard Cosmetics Pride mystery boxes. Were they worth the 40 bucks? Hang tight. We are unboxing and live swatching the Gerard Cosmetics Pride mystery box in 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, unboxings, first impressions, reviews, live swatching, declutterings, and more, you've come to the right place to hit subscribe for new videos weekly. For Pride Month, Gerard Cosmetics launched these Pride mystery boxes. They had a couple options of nude, red, pink, and rainbow. I chose red pink because I love my reds and my pinks, and I'm really excited to unbox and see what I got. You paid $40 and I think it was like 100 minimum in each box. I'll be testing and swatching all the products and giving you my thoughts. So without further ado, let's unbox. Ooh. Oh, this card is so cute. And there's like a cute little note from Gerard, who is the CEO. And it says, in honor of Pride Month, we are including this card as a reminder that love and acceptance are always beautiful. All month long, a portion of the proceeds from our limited edition Pride boxes will go to support LGBTQ charities. Tune into our IGTV to hear a personal story each day from a member of our GC family sharing their experiences. Our hope is by increasing awareness about issues those in the LGBTQ community face, we can spread a broader message of love and kindness. Let's spread some #GC love. Much love, Gerard. Got some pink tissue paper. Maybe it's because I chose the red pink option. Oh, ripping it, and yes, here are the products inside. I am super excited. The first time I tested Gerard Cosmetics was when I purchased their Diamond mystery box. Oh my gosh, I have been using their products non-stop. I've been loving every single one that was in that mystery box, and when I heard that they were launching Pride ones, I was like, I need to get another one because A, it's a lot of fun for mystery boxes, and two, they're such a great value and I couldn't resist. Plus, proceeds went to some of the charities and I was like, hell yeah, I'm supporting that. We stand. Diving right in. To kick off the unboxing, we have the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination. The shade I received is Grace. I also have the shade Bridget, which I really like to mix with my foundation, or I can use it as an illuminating primer without having to mix it, and also you can use it as a nice highlight. It's very versatile. I like it. This is the packaging that the BB Plus Illuminations come in. Oh yes. That's what the shade looks like on my hand. Grace would be perfect for those summer dewy night looks. Oh, it is beautiful. Love that. I've only recently started getting into using like more illuminating primers. I love my shade Bridget, so I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. The second product, we have a Slay All Day setting spray. Love these setting sprays. It could give Urban Decay's All Nighter a run for its money. I really like these because they're scented. It adds like that nice scent to your face, especially for like the summertime, because I got the shade Watermelon, which I did receive Watermelon in the Diamond box as well. This is what the bottle looks like. I've already got a lot of use out of my full size, which is Mango. I've been saving the smaller ones for like more travel occasions. Smells like a Jolly Rancher. I absolutely love it. I just love how it feels on my face. Sets my makeup really, really nice. Lasts all day, and you get a nice watermelon smell. Just obsessed. They have like a wide variety of scents on their website. I have the watermelon, I have the mango, I have jasmine. I've been dying to try lavender and cucumber. Those are some on my radar. And I think the full size is like $25, and I'm like, that's a couple bucks cheaper than All Nighter. Just a more affordable option, and Gerard Cosmetics is always running really amazing sales. Next, we have a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. I really love the formulas of the Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks, because when it says it's Hydra Matte, it really is most hydrating liquid lipstick formula I have tried. The pigmentation is there, the payoff is there, there is like no transfer at all. Really, really good. And I have the shade Honeymoon, which I have as well. I've been going through that so much, so I'm so happy to have a backup. This is one of the shades that got me back into really liking pink. got like the setting spray and the 4 lip products for free, essentially. It's a really good way of looking at it, in my opinion. I'm really happy with that box just because like it had some of my favorite shades in it. So I definitely hope to see more Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes in the future. I know I have been personally loving these. Love to see more for like more holidays or celebrations. Let me know if you picked up one of these mystery boxes. Did you get the nude, the pink red like I did, or the rainbow one? Did we get similar products or did we get some different ones? Would love to know your variation. Would love to know your thoughts on the products as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.